the LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A51 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy A51 is not here for Verizon Prepaid, so this is really cool. So if you guys are looking for a mid-range Samsung smartphone, the Galaxy A51 could be one for you to check out. So it's available now. That's a phone there, looks very nice. And all that. It's available in black, 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's available for $399.99. Alright. So yeah. So this is the phone right here on the right side of the screen. Looks very nice and beautiful and colorful on the wallpaper there. It does have the Samsung One UI, probably. I think it's Samsung One UI 2.0 or whatever it is. So pretty nice. If you have your hole punch for the front facing camera. Bang keys on the right side, power button on the right side of the phone as well. Like I said, it is available in black. That's back of the phone right here. Like I said, the full camera system on back. Camera flash, it does have the camera layout like you would see it on the Galaxy S20 smartphone. So that's pretty cool there. And you have Samsung logo on the back. It does look blue. It does look blue on my screen here, but it is black. Alright, so it does look kind of blue here, but it's in black. Alright, so yeah. That's right side of the phone, like I said, power and volume keys. The camera does stick out there just a little bit there on the back of the phone, so you keep it in mind. On the left side of the phone, you guys have a micro SD card slot and your SIM card slot right here. Let's find the phone again. This back, this front and back there. So pretty nice looking phone and all that good stuff. So it says here, meet the Samsung Galaxy A51, a smartphone with all the features on the wish list, and a few that you never knew you couldn't live without. Capture important moments and everything in between with the quad camera system that includes a pro grade 48 megapixel main camera and an ultra wide lens. Busy day? No problem. The 4,000 mAh battery has you covered, and if you run out of juice, simply use the fast charging feature. Very quick refuel so you can get back to what matters. The sleek, modern design fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, and with a large 6.5-inch bezel-less Super AMOLED display, you can immerse yourself in everything from your baby's first steps to your favorite binge-worthy content. Do more with the Samsung Galaxy A51 and Verizon's America's most awarded network. So this has a big ass fucking screen, dude. 6.5 inches. That's a big ass screen. Good God. Whew. That's a big screen. So it has 14.5 days of standby time, which is pretty cool. 28 hours of usage time. 48 megapixel main camera on back. 2.89 inches in width and 6.2 inches in height. Like I said before, it does have 4,000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable. So it's a battery that won't quit before you do. Game, talk, text, and more without word. The Galaxy A51's long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery gives you hours of power on a single charge. And for those times when you are short on time and juice, fast charging will get you fueled up in no time. So it does have the fast charging feature on here. I think it's a Snapdragon processor. I think it is a Snapdragon. So it does have quick charge on here. Capture the moments that matter. All it takes is the tap of your finger to capture pro-grade shots with the Galaxy A51 with the 48 megapixel main camera and the 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. You won't miss another shot of the entire family at the next reunion or the breathtaking landscapes on your next vacation. And with the 5 megapixel macro lens, you can capture all of the intricate details of your favorite subject. snap and shared stunning selfies using the front-facing 32 megapixel flaw detection for perfect Instagram-worthy shots. So there's your camera there on back. You guys have a depth sensing camera. You have a main camera, ultra wide, a macro lens, and I think a depth sensing camera. So you have a main camera, which is 48 megapixel, a macro camera, which is 5, the ultra wide camera is 12, and so your depth camera is 5 megapixels, macro camera is your depth sensing lens is 5 megapixels, your macro lens is 5 megapixels, main camera is 48 megapixels, your ultra wide angle lens is 12 megapixels, and you have a 32 megapixel front facing camera. It's pretty fucking cool there. Low light, no problem from Turning light to campfires. The Galaxy A51's camera system will automatically adjust to low light conditions for clear, detailed images every time. Bye bye blur. Don't miss another win and go or Instagram worthy. Constantly click when you activate Super Study Mode. Get clear Ultra HD quality video even with poor lighting conditions or a fast moving subject. This display knows no boundaries. Watch all your favorite Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu content on the 6.5-inch Infinity O display. Everything comes to life in rich, vivid color on the edge-to-edge Super AMOLED screen, and with a sleek design and glossy finish, the A51 is comfortable to hold, so you can get lost in the action. Remember all the things you love. Shoot more pics, store more games, and download all the things you love on the Galaxy A51 with 128 GB of built-in memory and up to 512 GB of expandable storage. With a micro SD card, this device can keep it all. So yeah, this phone has a lot of good features on it, especially how really good. So let's look at the specs on this Galaxy A51. So it's a roll device, which means that you can use it in over 200 countries. LTE advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 400 video speeds from coast to coast. 14.5 days of standby time, 28 hours of usage time. 48 megapixel main camera on back with flash. 32 megapixel front facing camera. 2.89 inches in width. 6.06 ounces in weight there, 6.2 inches in height, and 0.31 inches in depth there. The screen size, like I said, 6.5 inches. It's a big ass screen. It's Full HD plus, super AMOLED display, 4000 mAh battery, Android 10. So that's a win. 128 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM, and a micro SD card expansion up to 512 GB. Digital network there, side ratings, here in the processor is an Exynos chip, 9611 octa-core processor. I thought it was Snapdragon because it's fast charge, but this is indeed an Exynos 9611 chipset. So that's pretty cool. And I'm sure it has HD voice on here as well. And even though I don't listen on here, I'm sure HD voice is included on this phone here. It says Verizon Wireless support helps you better understanding your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So you guys need help with your Galaxy A51. Device support is here with that. So check it out if you guys need help with your phone. And what you guys get in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, ball charger, USB cable, quick reference guide, and terms and conditions. So there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A51 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $399.99. So like I said, if you guys are looking for a mid-range Samsung smartphone on Verizon Prepaid, the Galaxy A51 is worth checking out. Nice looking phone, great specs for what it is. So there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy A51. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys will bless me a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.